So if you were asking me about N₂O₆, what's the oxidation number, especially on the nitrogen here? So oxygen, that's always going to be -2 with just a few exceptions, like in peroxide, H2O2, but it's almost always -2. For the nitrogen, we don't know, so let's just call that X, and we'll just work this out. So 2 times X plus 6 times -2, that's -12, and that's going to equal 0 because it's a neutral compound. When we started out, it was just N₂O₆, didn't have a charge. So solve for X. So X equals 6, that's a positive 6, and that means up here, nitrogen, each nitrogen atom is going to be plus 6. And sometimes students find that confusing because if you look at the periodic table and you're looking at ionic charge, nitrogen's 3-. But oxidation numbers are different than ionic charge. So with oxidation numbers, nitrogen could be -3, could be 0, could be plus 6. It really depends what it's bonded to here. So oxidation numbers are different than those ionic charges. That's it. Hope this helped. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.